Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I would like to teach you how you can read multiple lines using Python. So let's say, for example, we have a list of emails here, and we would like to filter the list of emails, or for example print just gmail.com emails. So I will do it like this. I will write the code in Python that will do it for us. So I will say with open, and then inside this parentheses I will write the name of my file. And comma read as, and then the name of the file without the .txt, and then I will create a variable called, for example, emails, and then say email that read lines. Okay, and then I will create a for loop. For example, for email in emails, and then I will say if, for example, Gmail inside of emails, print inside of email, I will print the list and dot rs strip. Yes, and let's run our code. Voila, we have our list of Gmail's email. Let's put some space here. Yes. So this code will only print Gmail's emails. Yes, we have it here. And for example, let's say if we only want to print for example Yahoo, we can change our condition here. If we only want to print Yahoo emails, we can do it like this, and we have it here. So that's how you can filter information. This is something that is common in Python, and we learn more about it when we learn about scripting, for example. So yeah, that's a simple way of filtering information using Python. I hope you get some value from this video. Feel free to like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. I wish you have a great day. Bye.